What's up YouTube? Good to see you in front of the screen over there with that big smile on your face. I'm Hendrik and today I want to talk about how I got new bindings installed on my skis. So last year I installed this Marker Kingpin 13 binding myself on this ski. It works perfectly, no complaints, but I have to be honest right now, it was a lot of headaches going before that. Am I not going to destroy the ski? Am I doing everything correctly? I spent hours and hours and hours researching how to install bindings on skis, and it has been very popular, the video, and the binding has been working all fine. But this year I really didn't want to go through the mental stress of installing a binding on my skis. And the skis are expensive, the bindings are expensive, and usually if I need to do this it's late in the evening because of the kids and work and stuff like that. So this year I decided I'm not gonna go and stress about the whole thing. I'm going to drive with the bus to Oulu, which is 300 kilometers further up north, because in my hometown of Vaasa there's no ski shop which has the skills to install these bindings. And I was speaking with Mika from Laji Kumpani beforehand, and I said I wanted to have this binding, and then he was recommending actually this binding, which I took in the end. But I was like, no, I want the Salomon Shift. So I traveled there, I paid for everything, also for these, so this is not sponsored. And yeah, then we had this discussion about safety and release values. Mika looked at the ski, he looked at me, he heard a bit about my skiing history, and he was like, I really think that this is a lot better binding for you and your needs than the Salomon Shift. So then I was like, okay, I'm going to do this. And yeah, what now follows is how Mika installed these bindings on the ski. and I needed to be really quick with the whole process because Mika installs bindings super fast. It's his job, and yeah, I think it took me longer to set up the cameras for the time lapse at the end and the tripod for filming everything than it really would have taken him to install these bindings. I think it took him something like 10-15 minutes to install those bindings, from unpacking the skis to putting the template on and then drilling the holes, installing the skis and everything like that. So it's pretty amazing to see a professional install these bindings, whereas I really took ages installing the Kingpin last year, and I'm really happy with this setup. The red and blue looks pretty sick, and I'm looking forward to ski this ski and the binding next week in Sweden. So stay tuned for the skiing trip report from Sweden soon, and then I also will let you know how I like these plume bindings that I now have on my DPS Cassiar 87 ski. As always, thanks for watching. Like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and remember, it's always worth to go outside. For example, to go ski.